You might be one of the persons that has never created a chart or that has never used any one of the Liquify tools. But let's talk about the top 2 tools that nobody uses, although you need the functionality all the time. Let's talk about zooming and panning. So we've got these tools here. The zoom tool and the hand tool. The zoom tool, of course, is for zooming and the hand tool is for panning. They work like this. You select them and then you click and drag and you zoom. And with the hand, click and drag to move it around. Now, if you would have to switch to these tools all the time when you need to zoom or pan, you would be traveling around the workspace a lot. You would be go here and then switch to a different tool and then move it around. So that is very tiresome. And that's why people use the shortcuts all the time. You hold down the space bar and you've got the hand and you can just click and drag, and you hold down the space bar and the command key or control on Windows, and then you've got the zoom tool. And you can even just click. And if you hold down Alt as well, you got the minus zoom tool. Now there's even a shortcut for the rotate canvas tool, which is the space bar and then Shift. And then you can rotate. Now you've got rotated it, so how do you get out of that? By hitting Escape. And then you're out of that. Since you've watched this until the end, you might be interested in some nifty tricks with the type tools.